Safta says, come visit me, time to go, lots to see. Airport ahead, we park our car, the plane will take us. Go inside for our boarding pass, watch the planes through the big play glass. Security check, take off each. Lift our suitcases. Backpacks too. Read the signs, find our play, talk, laugh, wait. Walk the jetway, time to. Soon our plane will be so high. Aisle seats, luggage rack. There's a bathroom in the back. Look around. Snuggle down. Have some what? Treats. Attendant tells us she's part of the crew. Flying time is almost here. We'll take off when the runway's clear. Air controller says, okay. Plane taxis. We're on our way. Lifting, whooshing, cruising, soaring, shuddering, shaking, rumbling. Watch a movie, read a book out the window. Look, look, look. Forest, lake, highway, town. Earth so small as we look down. Here's a here's a pillow time for naps. Teddy bear snoozes on our laps. Snacks are coming on a tray. What a long, exciting day. Time to land. Airport below. Wheels touch down. Get set. Let's go. Back through the jetway. Hurry.